Hey, Peter here, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to make the perfect marshmallows. To do that I'm going to use my reflow station, hot air gun also, and we hit them. And we take the nozzle. I'm waiting for it to heat up. And with a hot air gun you can control the temperature and the airflow. So to make a good marshmallows will be quite easy. I've set the reflow station on 450 degrees and full power on air. And you can see it quite heat up fast. And when you get the nice brown color, you rotate it a bit. This way you can get a nice done marshmallow without overdoing it. And after some time you have a nice looking marshmallow, and which you can enjoy. And if you got some food gum like this, which has been which is old, gotten a bit hard, you can also put it on the stick and give it some heat. And you see it begin to bubble, and you rotate it, and it's best to not get it too brown. Then you let it cool down and you have some nice candy, which is quite liquid. It's a close-up of one who has got some, and when you got cool, it's quite nice to eat. It's hot. It is hot. Try it. Thank you for watching it. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave feedback and have a good time. See you.